Welcome. Today we shall discuss how to read comma separated values or text file in Excel. While working with a couple of my colleagues, students, what I have come across that many a times we have very serious problem and we have to spend good amount of time in handling our data. So this is data from econometric analysis 7th and 8th edition of William Green, and let's go to our table, let's say table 4.3. Now in this case you will have this data which is basically separated from commas. If you copy this data, Control A and then Control C, if you paste it in Excel, you'll have data only in one column. All other columns are blank, and many of my colleagues, many of my friends have to spend good amount of time to read this data. It's a very simple. Go to data and then go to text to columns, and then it's basically instead of fixed widths, let's use delimited, because this data are separated from commas, and this is called comma separated values, which is often used to share files with other people because it doesn't require Excel. So you should share your data in comma separated values format with your colleagues, with your friends. And now we have delimited, and here we check comma, tab, comma, and you see this comma. Once we don't check comma, we have these values as in this file. But once we click on comma, check this comma, we have now these values in separate columns, and now this is your workable format of the data. I hope this video will be useful for you in working